Goofy fucker.
Raindrop. Drop top. Rod knob. Just like every other Chevrolet. I told you.
No, we were talking about the headers itself, unbolting them from the back and you're taking them out of the way.
Oh, fuck you.
What? They're not that bad. What do you think, Kyle?
I told him it might be a thought to just unbolt the headers and lay them off.
Leave them in there?
That's
to
what
the side.
that's what I was saying to do. Just unbolt these motherfuckers, leave them in there, and rip the block out.
That's kind of
With
what I
another
would
truck.
do. That's what I would do. Huh?
With another truck.
No, no. This is actually a decent motor. This is a running motherfucker when it ain't knocking. BJ.
Hey,
Pops.
Hey, it was idling just fine when we cut the motherfucker off.
Kenneth said what happened, probably happened, was one of them fucking
Oh my
back out.
fucking god, Kyle's done wiring in this car.
What the fuck are you talking about? Oh my god. No, I have not done the wiring in this fucking
Yes,
car.
you have.
No, I haven't.
That is you. That has you written all over.
I didn't do it, I swear. I mean,
But
it's
you
something,
would do
it's
it.
something I would do if I had to, but I didn't do it.
Well, I'm thinking.
Hey, you know, as much shit as you talk, all my shit still works. It might be ghetto as fuck and redneckified,
Hey, we're not
but it
Your
fucking
Dodge
works.
is one step away from burning to the ground at any given second.
No, I fixed all the ground problems.
I'm thinking it might be
My own way, but I fixed them.
And let you drive it.
You know, he's the luckiest motherfucker I know. Everyone else I know has a Dodge that catches on fire. His Dodge is nigger on shit and it still ain't caught on fire. You know it's true too. You know it's true. That's why you're laughing.
It's true. God damn.
Kenneth said he wouldn't go as far as putting rings or nothing. He just put the bearings in the bottom.
You know what the best thing about this motor is?
What?
Valve covers.
It's probably the most expensive thing about this fucking motor. That and that big red motherfucker right there.
Oh, the MSD?
Yeah. This ain't even got the MSD box, does it?
Nope.
It's just got MSD coil.
Yep.
Oof.
Imagine if we put a 6AL box in this bitch.
Woo.
Woo-hoo. Yeah. And get rid of this fucking street fucking dominator bullshit off this motherfucker. Single plane pool piece of shit.
Is that a single plane?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Street Dominator's a single plane, dude.
Ugh.
Their Holly intakes are junk, dude.
No, man. They're not junk, but they work really good at higher RPMs.
Put an Edelbrock dual plane on this motherfucker.
Yeah, dual planes are proven to make better power for street use because it's all anywhere from 1,500 to 7,000 RPMs. But them single planes, man, you got to be pushing some fucking
When
power.
me and Kenneth
to make
first
them work for you.
started up this morning, he said, "Man, it's a lifter." And I said, "No." I shut it off and started back up. And he said, "That motherfucker coming from that." He got down there by that pan. He said, "I could feel it hitting that pan." He said, "Your rod cap come loose."
Hopefully we didn't fuck anything up.
Hopefully.
He said, "As long as you're just making a small racket, it probably didn't."
Get rid of this fan clutch. Go with a straight fan or fucking put electric fan.
Leave the fucking fan clutch alone.
Fuck fan clutches.
They work.
They're
just
junk.
fine. When they work fine.
Okay, I'll show you something. I already got that fucking covered.
But a hard fan works all the time. You don't have to worry about the motherfucker going out either.
Loss of
What am I
power.
doing with my coat?
Where the fuck? You left it in the back of my truck.
Okay, come here. I'll show you. I got something for that. I got